For food and drink manufacturers, as well as their ingredient suppliers, one of the biggest challenges is how to meet consumer demand for more plant-based products and smaller ingredients lists while also meeting consumer demands for sustainability. This can be surprisingly tricky. Many plant-based products do not necessarily have sustainable sources of raw materials, and this is forcing and indeed encouraging, driving a lot of innovation in terms of other means to provide some of these products. So to use a good example, of course, demand for coffee is surging all across the world. Consumer interest, willingness to spend on coffee has been one of the major growth stories of the last 20 years. But along with that comes greater demand for an agricultural product that faces more pressure than ever due to climate change. This has led to some really interesting experiments, some interesting areas of innovation. An example of that is Atomo coffee, which is sold as a quote-unquote molecular coffee. It takes the various volatile compounds, the things that make coffee taste like coffee, it synthesizes these from existing ingredients to make basically a coffee-flavored beverage that lacks a lot of the bitterness of naturally produced coffee. It also requires no coffee beans to create. This is a really important point because it points to a future where more of these manufactured, engineered products could help to meet this growing demand for sustainable products, for products that provide some of the same benefits and have some of the same connection to the natural products that consumers love without adversely affecting the environment.